The long-term mindset. Thinking in decades, not days. Most people want success now. Fast money, instant results, overnight success. But Warren Buffett's approach is the exact opposite. He built his wealth by thinking in decades, not days. His investment strategy is simple. Someone sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. Buffett doesn't chase quick wins. When he buys a stock, he treats it as if he's buying the entire business for life. He doesn't panic when the market drops. He doesn't follow trends, and he doesn't make emotional decisions. Instead, he plays the long game, letting time and patience do the heavy lifting. And that's the secret. The longer you stay in the game, the bigger the rewards. Most people fail because they think too short-term. They want immediate results, and when they don't see them, they give up. But real success, whether in money, business, health, or personal growth, takes years of consistent effort. Buffett's fortune didn't explode overnight. In fact, 99% of his wealth came after his 50s. But he started young, stayed patient, and let the power of time work in his favor. The same principle applies to life. If you're building a business, don't expect to be successful in a few months. Think in years. If you're developing a skill, don't give up after a few failed attempts. Give it consistent effort over time. Success is a long-term game, and those who understand this will always be ahead. Buffett teaches us that wealth isn't just about money. It's about making smart choices, sticking to them, and trusting the process. So the next time you feel frustrated about slow progress, remember, you're planting seeds for a future that's bigger than you can imagine. Stay patient, stay consistent, and let time do the rest.